welcome to today's tutorial on content monetization with the director Thomas Media. Okay, so remember this channel, Francis Equilibrate Progress. Remember we applied after the channel got its requirement for watch hour, and you can see it's actually a big channel. Let me open the dashboard there so you can see the watch hour there. Okay, so now after we apply for monetization, we got a message from YouTube saying your channel remain eligible for monetization and what you should do. Okay, and we did those things. So before I explain what we did first, let me just do a brief reminder. This channel got it okay, its watch time, and we all know the requirement for YouTube monetization is a 4K YouTube watch hour and also 1,000 subscribers. Okay, 1,000 subscribers. You can see monetization was not approved. So on May 12th, after we applied, we got an email saying the channel was not approved. This is actually for a client, and if I go down here, you will see even in the last 28 days, the channel has also gotten 4.1k watch hour. 4.1k watch hour, mind you, that was after it wasn't accepted for monetization, which is to say the channel is organic, the channel is doing the right thing, it's not buying views. Okay, you can see the views for just last 28 days, 1.4 million, and you must be wondering why wasn't this channel accepted. Yes, so this channel wasn't accepted because it was actually having some copyrighted issues on the channel's copyrighted content. I told you guys, if you're doing a video, if you're doing a content, make sure it is your original video. Make sure you are the one that originally own it. Okay, and also make sure the video is not uploaded to more than one channel, because that is against YouTube rules and regulation. Okay, you can't upload one particular video to more than one channel. Trust me, when you want to monetize, you want to get issued. Okay, so you will get maybe copyrighted issues or different type of issues. Okay, you can see this have a reuse issue. Now if I should click here, you're going to simply see, let's read through together. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel and may have reproduced from another source without adding significant original commentary, solitary modification, or educational or entertainment value. Okay, so even if you want to jump into a content that you're not the one that originally own it, you can actually claim it. But before you can claim it, you need to add some value to it. As you can see here, you need to add something different. That is, maybe you saw a video and you're seeing a mistake there. Yes, you can recreate yours, not just taking that video and uploading it just like that. No, you don't have an issue. Okay, your channel can even get deleted, or your page can get deleted. And these days YouTube have deleted a lot of channels. I'm going to be explaining that in our next tutorials. Okay, so in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, because you're going to be getting more insightful tips and also free value lectures. This lecture you're seeing, this training you're seeing, people pay millions of thousands of dollars for it. Okay, but I'm giving it to the public free of charge. Okay, because I want so many persons to actually monetize. Okay, because I have a goal and objective. All right, so let's go back to our training. And if you're watching from Facebook, also do well to follow the page. Okay, Director Thomas Media. Also give the video a thumbs like, share the video so it's going to reach so many other persons. Okay, so now you can see reuse content there. Example of what is allowed to monetize. You can see example of what is allowed to monetize. Okay, so a funny thought revision of your content through. So because of time, I'm not going to be reading this, but you're seeing it on your screen there. So you take your time, read it there. So these are things, example of what is allowed to monetize. This is what is allowed to monetize. So you read that you're just coming up on the platform whether be it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, IG, anywhere, okay, TikTok, okay. So each of those platforms have their rules and regulation if you want to monetize on this platform. So we are focusing on YouTube for now, okay. So this is what you need to know to keep in a good record for you to actually monetize your channel. And don't forget, you need to have 1K subscribers or 4K and 4K watch time, okay. 1K YouTube organic subscribers and 4K watch time. Or if you're using your short, you have to have 10 million shots, okay, in this period of that year, okay, 365 days, okay. So these are things, if you do any of these things, you're going to get demonetized because it's not allowed. So because of time, we're going to move straight to the content. So you can see its content. You can see this is on full video. You can see this was uploaded June 10th of recent. And you can see the views. This was uploaded June 9th. You can see. So let's go over to short, because this channel was built on short, okay. It grew its audience on short. You can see this that was just uploaded on June 11th. It has gotten over 34,000 views, and you can see this is 8,000 views, 11,000 views. You can see this 110 views. So imagine if you are a marketer, imagine if you are selling products and you're having a lot of views like this. Just imagine how many products you must have sold. So whether you are a market trader, whether you are a company, whether you are into properties, be it anything, you should be on the space, because it has so many benefits. Even without even you getting monetized, you have different ways of making money, making earnings, okay, different ways. The monetization is just a bonus of it, okay. So without wasting time, we're going to be diving into monetizing this channel, because we applied the first time and it wasn't accepted, and now we have worked on the channel, okay. So we're going to be learning how to reapply for monetization. So it's just simple. There you can see the third number there, edit your channel and reapply for monetization. This came immediately after it wasn't accepted for monetization, and it's going to give you a period of days where you can actually apply. I'm going to be pasting the video, sorry, I'm going to be pasting the email that YouTube sent. This channel wasn't approved for monetization, so you can see as well. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, because you're going to be getting more insightful tips from Monetized Media. Okay, so let's move over to the next process. To move over to the process of learning on how to reapply for a channel that is due for monetization that was actually not accepted. Okay, so I'm going to click on reapply there. Okay, you click on reapply and you can see it has just gone immediately, and you can see there your reapplication is under review. Your reply on June 12, 2025. We will review your channel and email you with a decision, typically within a month. Okay, so it simply means they're going to be getting back to us within a period of 1 month, and mostly it even come before 24 hours, highest a week. I haven't seen YouTube sending a reply less than a week, but due to their own platform and rules they have there, they say within a month. Okay, but so far I've been working on channels, it comes in days, less than 24 hours, highest less than a week. Okay, so in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, share the video so it's going to get to more people who are in this issue. Okay, give the video a thumb like. In case you're having an issue, drop a comment in the comment section. In case you're having issue of monetization, or in case you want to monetize your channel, send us a message and we're going to respond to you and attending to you and solving all your issues so you get monetized. Okay, once again, thank you for watching this insightful tutorials from Monetized Media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until when next we see on the next video, stay blessed and remain safe.